Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. So this is Dev Jyoti Mohanty, the host of this SRM series. So today I am going to give you a campus tour of the SRM University main campus, that is the Kathan Kulathur one. So now I am standing at the arch gate, which is the main gate of our campus. So now let's get started with the tour. This is the path that goes from the arch gate to the Chola Rajan statue, and on the right hand side you can see the university building, and this is the initial part of the university building. So now let's take the tour of this. So before we reach the Chola Rajan statue, so here there is a pathway to enter the university building. So here behind me you can see the State Bank as well as the ICICI Bank ATM, and here some foods and snacks stores are also connected within the university building, and salon is also there. You can also find Dr. Bubble, Chai Wale, HDFC Bank office, and if someone wants to study in abroad countries, for them some consultancy is also associated with our university. And if you want laundry and dry cleaning, this service is also provided within the university as well by a third party provider. So, this is the Chola Rajan statue that you can see just behind me, and in front of me is the university building. So this is the university building, and here you can find the entrance of the university building. So on the ground floor we have our central library, which consists of 3 different floors, and you can also find famous departments like the central department in the university building itself. You can get the placement assistance, administration support, as well as many other support that are associated within the university in this building, because it's the university building. Now let's head towards the basketball court, tennis court and volleyball court. Then we will be heading towards the Tech Park Avenue, and in front of the university building you can see the SRM guest house that is within the campus itself. So this is the NRI hostel that are basically for Indians as well as the students that are arrived from abroad. So this hostel is situated just beside the university building, and it has the same access and features as that of other hostels, but only the food is associated with the SRM hotel. Rest everything is same as of the other hostels that are present within the campus itself. This is the Vallimai Sports Complex. So here you can find badminton, ball badminton, volleyball, lawn tennis and basketball court. And just in front of all these courts is the SRM Arts and Science College, where you have MBA Annexure block, where there is a department of visual communication. So now we have arrived at the Tech Park Avenue, and this road heads towards the Biotech building as well as Tech Park and TP Ganeshwaram Auditorium. And here you can see the 2-wheeler as well as the 4-wheeler parking. And on this side we are heading towards the TRS. TRS is the place where you can find your evening snacks as well as printout shops and juice shops, and that road also leads towards the national highways. So now I have arrived at the garden that is present exactly in between the Biotech as well as the Tech Park. So this is the School of Bioengineering SRM Biotech campus building, and just behind me is the C.V. Raman Research Park. This whole building is contributed to research labs, as well as in the above floor some students stay, as per I know, and not as per records. So this is where our Tech Park canteen is. So if you want any kind of assistance related to college or college admission, you can go to www.eduscopes.in, and the number and website link will be in the bio. So behind me is the Valiamai Polytechnic College, and now we will be heading towards the Tech Park, where all the classes for School of Computing takes place. So now let's head towards the Tech Park. Here you can see the banners for, here is the C.V. Raman Research Park, this is the Swami Vivekanand Road, this is C.V. Raman Road. You can see all the templates over here, and here you can find the Kathan Kulathur campus layout just in front of the Tech Park. And so this is the Tech Park. The Tech Park has 15 floors in total. So the ground floor is of canteen, first floor is the lobby, and second floor you can find the DTP services, The specialty of Tech Park is on 14th floor. In 2022, Apple and Infosys inaugurated our iMac lab. So the iMac lab allows the students to develop their skills on Swift and iOS development, and these skills can help the industry to grow further and reach. So this is the Tech Park 2. It will take some time for the construction to get completed. So now we will be visiting the Tech Park ground, and then I will show you the TP Ganeshwaram auditorium. Now we have arrived at the Tech Park ground. The Tech Park ground is just situated in front of the TP Ganeshwaram auditorium. So here cricket and football tournaments takes place on regular basis. Here is the overall view of the Tech Park ground. All the outdoor events like Milan and other additional events like the regular Indian traditional festivals also take place over here. Last was our Pongal. Holi also takes place on regular basis every year. Showers are also provided by the college itself. So now we have arrived at the TP Ganeshwaram auditorium. So this is the auditorium which has sub auditoriums also within itself. So induction program at the start of the college or start of someone's careers takes place over here. Basically, placement orientation and placement talks takes place in the TP Ganeshwaram auditorium, and one primary event of the college, that is the Arush, also takes place over here, where many artists all around the globe are invited. So now we will be heading towards the dental college, dental ground, and then the SRM hospital. So just behind me is the dental college, and behind the dental college is the Peri Fechard hostel, that is basically the boys hostel. So just beside the dental college is this dental ground. This is this big. So here people play cricket, football, and here is the audience stand. And behind me you can see the extensia, which is of 5 different towers. So in this flat and apartment, the students also stay who find it difficult to stay in the hostels. So here is the swimming pool which is under construction, and the swimming pool is just beside the dental ground. Now let me show you the inside of the swimming pool which is under construction. So we have exactly 1, 2, 3 swimming pools in this area, and all of the 3 are under construction. So the construction has started from about 8 months, and it would take more 6 months to get completed. So I'm standing just vertically opposite to the dental college, and here is the badminton court. So one major benefit that we get within the campus is the free shuttle service. So basically we have 2 different bus stands, one that comes before the clock tower and one comes after the clock tower. So the shuttle service is starting from morning 8 o'clock till night 11 o'clock. So now we have arrived at the SRM Global Hospital. So SRM Global Hospital arrives when you go straight from the arch gate. So you will exactly land at the SRM Global Hospital. Many diseases are cured in this hospital, as of many hospitals, but the main benefit of SRM hospital is that basically for SRM students, if you have the SRM ID card, you will get any kind of cure or any consultancy with any of the doctors for completely free. But if you want to buy medicines, for that you have to pay, but the consultancy prescription of the medicines is completely free. So for now we'll have to pause this part 1 and stay tuned, like the video, subscribe to the channel for part 2. Thank you.